आयतारा जाल्ले बानवलेच्या ग्रामसभेत वाठारात गाजपी वेस्टर्न बायपास रोडाविशीं चर्चा जाली। हे संबंधित उच्च न्यायालयात याचिका दाखल करपाचो निर्णय घेतला। तशेंच ग्रामसभा वांगड्यांनी जॅक सिक्वेराचो पुतळो स्थापन करपाक जाय म्हण थाराव मंजूर केलो। पळयात
विलेज पंचायत कानामिनावलींची ग्रामसभा तितून मेन प्रपोजल आहलो एक मिस्टर जॉन बरेटोलो टू इन्स्टॉल अ स्टॅच्यू ऑफ जॅक सिक्वेरा ओपिनियन पोलाचो आमचो मेन फायटर। सो तेक लागून आमी एक रेजोल्यूशन घेयला and we will follow up with that. And the other thing was about the western bypass. They wanted to know what was the status of the western bypass, and earlier we had filed a miscellaneous civil application before the High Court, and now upon the legal advice of the council who is advising the panchayat and appearing for the panchayat, the same has been withdrawn and they have given with permission to file a writ petition. So the writ petition has been finalized and it has been sworn in by the Sarpanch, Mr. Xavier Pereira, and it will be filed in the following week at the Honorable High Court of Bombay in Goa.
Regarding boards?
Regarding the hoardings and all, the hoardings, yeah, we are going to look into who are the owners. We have to find out who are the owners, because we have not been receiving anything all these years. So, and we'll be sending a letter to them to either, we have to see whether they can be put up in where they are. Otherwise, we'll have to ask them to remove it, and if they can, then they'll have to pay us the fees for it.
The secretary has made a statement that all the hoardings are illegal.
Yeah, that he has made a statement, but we are just going to look into it, because I believe there is a certain place where you can put up the hoardings. So we'll just dwell into it and we will decide on that matter.
Second, completion of the hydrology report and additional document. As possible, Panchayat in the funds for October hydrology report for October. Azun sanction झाले. दोन केली budget dialogue अजून भी upload जायला government सिस्टमाचेर. So त्याचा payment खातो जाल्यार त्याचा approval ना. So hydrology report इस्कूल जातो.
All these politicians are asking, they will be nowhere. We are here today because of Jack Sikwera. I don't understand why we forget about this. So please, all of you, support this proposition, and I like the Panchayat to also tell us activity done around time. When you think you will do this job, just by saying yes, we will do it, that is happening. We are making proposals in December, they are coming in February, nothing is happening. So please help us, tell us the time.
Third body we are discussing on this western bypass. आणि जेन्ना ही पयली नॉट इन ट्रेडिशन मिशनरीज पेटिशन मांडली जाता myself remember before as villagers, myself Rocky Raymond and Alvin. आणि after we are not sure where the court was पहिले, and none of the band members and the Sarpanch had informed us that the case was nothing. So this was a gross negligence from the Panchayat body. I'm not only blaming the Sarpanch. They should have made the advocates.
गोवा 365 खातीर रमेश नायक रावत, मनीषा जाधव आणि संगीता ओली।